Space is completely silent. Sound cannot travel in space as there is no medium for it to propagate. Sound waves need a medium, like air or water, to transmit vibrations. However, other types of waves like electromagnetic waves can still travel through space without a medium. The hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. With an average surface temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius, Venus is considered the hottest planet in the solar system. Surprisingly, Mercury, which is closer to the Sun than Venus, is not the hottest planet due to its lack of atmosphere that causes temperature fluctuations. A full NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. Astronauts rely on spacesuits to survive in the harsh conditions of space, but these suits come with a hefty price tag. The cost of a complete spacesuit is around $12 million, with the backpack and control module accounting for 70% of that cost. Despite the high price, the spacesuits currently in use by NASA are nearly 50 years old and were built in 1974. If the same suits were priced using today's standards, they would cost an estimated $150 million. This highlights the astronomical cost of developing and maintaining the advanced technology necessary for space exploration. The Sun's mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the total mass in our solar system, which is approximately 330,000 times the mass of Earth. Interestingly, the Sun is primarily composed of hydrogen, which accounts for 3/4 of its mass, with the remainder being helium. One might wonder if the Sun had a voice, whether it would be high-pitched and squeaky due to the abundance of helium. 1 million Earths can fit inside the Sun. The sheer size of the Sun is truly awe-inspiring. In fact, it is so massive that it could contain roughly 1.3 million Earths if they were compressed to fit inside it. Alternatively, if the Earths retained their spherical shape, approximately 960,000 of them could fit within the Sun. To put it into perspective, imagine lining up 960,000 spheres with a diameter of 12,742 kilometers, the diameter of Earth, next to each other. The resulting line would stretch for a distance of over 12 billion kilometers, which is more than 80 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. Another way to visualize it would be to picture a cube with each side measuring 100 Earths in length. This massive cube would contain nearly 1 million Earths. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. The number of trees on Earth is astounding, with approximately 3 trillion of them on the planet. This is in stark contrast to the number of stars in our Milky Way galaxy, which is estimated to be between 100 to 400 billion. Although these are both large numbers, the difference in scale is immense, with the number of trees on Earth outnumbering the stars in our galaxy by a factor of thousands. It's a reminder of just how vast the universe is and how unique and precious our planet is with its abundance of life. The sunset on Mars appears blue. Sunsets on Mars have a unique quality that distinguishes them from those on Earth. NASA has noted that, unlike the warm, vibrant hues seen during a sunset on our planet, sunsets on Mars would appear bluish to human observers. The reason behind this is that fine dust particles in the Martian atmosphere scatter blue light, making it more visible near the Sun's position in the sky. In contrast, during daylight hours, the red color of the planet's familiar rusty dust is more perceptible to the human eye, giving it its characteristic appearance. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sands on Earth. The vastness of the universe is beyond comprehension, and the number of stars it contains is equally difficult to fathom. Because the universe extends far beyond our own galaxy, scientists can only estimate how many stars are out there, and the figure they have come up with is truly mind-boggling. According to estimates, there are approximately 1 septillion stars in the universe, or a septillion. Similarly, while the exact number of grains of sand on Earth is impossible to determine, researchers at the University of Hawaii have estimated that it falls somewhere around 7 quintillion, 500 quadrillion grains. It's a truly astronomical number that's hard to wrap your head around, but it's a testament to the vastness of our universe and the incredible diversity of our planet. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, has a unique rotation that sets it apart from other planets in our solar system. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one full rotation on its axis, meaning that its day is longer than its year. In fact, Venus's orbit around the Sun takes just 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on the planet. This slow rotation and unique orbit are just some of the many intriguing features of this fascinating planet. There is a planet made of diamonds. A planet made of diamonds sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but in reality, it exists. 55 Cancri, also known as a super-Earth, is a planet twice the size of our own and is believed to be covered in graphite and diamond. In fact, the entire planet could be composed of diamonds, making it a truly unique and valuable discovery. While the thought of visiting such a planet is intriguing, the cost of getting there would be astronomical, with a $12 million spacesuit required just to survive the journey. Nonetheless, the existence of this diamond planet is a fascinating reminder of the